morning, we're taking out this old Hydrotherm. It's got two zones. Looks like this one is split three ways, actually. Yep. It's got one zone in the basement. So we're gonna take out this this Hydrotherm. We're gonna put in a Burnham ES26. We're taking this out. It still works, but not working safely. It's putting off well over 4,000 particles per million of carbon monoxide. Probably closer to 40,000. But the sensor on the Testo 320 stops at 4,000. It'll keep going, but sensor protection. It's carbonized and it's old. So how old? Well, at least from 1969. So we're gonna rip this bad boy out today, and you'll see the result shortly. All right, it is 11:52 a.m. and this morning around 7:45, there was a Hydrotherm sitting on the floor here. We took that out and put in this Burnham ES26 175,000 BTU two-zone gas boiler. So let's start at the top. I like Webstone isolation flanges. This is the rotating flange with purge. I put that on top of my circs with the isolation flange below. Takeo 007Es. Orange light means it's running. I got a Takeo 1.25" air scoop there with a Kalefi automatic air vent, the Kalefi 1/2" pressure reducing valve with gauge, Honeywell 1/2" backflow preventer. This is by Bluefin. It's the expansion tank isolation valve, followed by the X-Trol number 30. Down below, we have our Burnham IAQ low water cutoff, and it's wired to the low water cutoff board inside there. Pressure gauge, relief valve, Takeo 2-zone switching relay, our return piping right there, and we're good to go. We finished the job with the combustion and analyzation with the hard to read with the Testo 320. Great little boiler, the ES2. Oh, under the hood. This is the boiler control, and this is the IQ control board. This is the low water cutoff option board right there. And STA 8 means it's running. BT is boiler temperature 156. My set point is 180. There you go. If you need a boiler, call Pipe Doctor.